Take a look at this channel once. In just a few months, this channel is getting millions of views only from world history documentaries. With only 3 videos, it has already reached 31K subscribers. You can see the view graph and earnings revenue here. Since these videos are informational, their RPM is usually quite high, and monetization generally has no issues. I had already shown you one example in the beginning. Now, before moving ahead, let me show you a preview video first.
Roman soldiers feared swords and fire, but not this. Dozens of rabbits stormed the arena, breaking formations in seconds. Shields fell, warriors stumbled, and mighty Rome turned into chaos. Sometimes history's strangest enemy is the smallest one. Rome's mighty soldiers were trained for war, but not for this. Rabbits exploded across the arena floor, turning discipline into panic. Shields crashed, soldiers stumbled, and chaos spread in seconds. In one unbelievable moment, the power of Rome was marked by tiny feet in the dust.
You can also make similar videos easily by following these 4 steps. So let's start with step 1. In the video description, you will find a link. As soon as you click it, you will get prompts. First, select and copy the first prompt. Then you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini or any AI tool, but I am using ChatGPT here. After opening ChatGPT, paste the copied prompt and send it. It will analyze and research for a while, then give you 10 mysterious topics. After that, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then you'll get a little information about all the topics, which you can read and choose according to your preference. I found topic number 6 interesting, so I selected it. Then I copied it and pasted it below the prompt and sent it. After that, it generated a professional script for me. Next, type this. Give me image prompts for all scenes according to this story. Image quality 20. I wrote 20 because I wanted that many images, but you can choose more or less according to your needs. After some analysis, it will generate prompts for all the scenes. Now we need to generate images using those prompts. For that, you can use Nano Banana or Whisk AI. I am using Whisk AI here. Go to Google, search for Whisk AI, click on the first website, and log in with your Google account. Mine was already logged in, then copy the first prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. Select the aspect ratio and send it. Your image will start till all images are generated. Then download all of them. Now we need to make videos from these images, and for that we need prompts again. Come back to ChatGPT and paste the next prompt, which you'll also find in the same place where the other prompts were. After sending it, you'll get a response in a few moments. Then click the plus button and upload your first image. According to your story and image, it will generate the best prompt for you. Upload the second image and it will generate another prompt. In this way, you can create prompts for all images. Now it's time to generate the videos. Go to Google and search for Grok. Log in with your Google account. Mine was already logged in. Click on Imagine, select the aspect ratio, then click plus and upload your first image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your first generated prompt, paste it into Grok, and send it. Within seconds, your video will be generated. You can see it here, then download it. Repeat the same process for the second video and download it too. Now we need voiceover. For this, I personally think ElevenLabs is the best. Search ElevenLabs on Google and click the first website. Log in, then go to text-to-speech. Select any voice you like, male or female. I am choosing a female voice. Then paste your script there and click Generate Speech. In a few moments, your voiceover will be ready. Download it. Now we have all the scenes and the voiceover. Next comes editing. There are many tools for editing, but I am using Filmora. Click Import and add all your videos and voiceover. Arrange them according to your story and add a few transitions if you'd like. Then export the final video. For more informational videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.